It's a good story. It's going to be a children's book coming out next year, so just be on the lookout for that. This whole song, just straight through. There was a big black dog, used to chase it around the yard. It really got a motor running like a brand new car. Yeah, we were young and hungry, two skinny rabbits traveling around the world to any lawn that would have us. Well, we stopped at this house on Secular Street where old Lady Mary, she sat on the swing. Yeah, she hollered to the bushes, yeah, you got some nice things. She called me Brother Duke and my big brother Cain. Well, Brother Rabbit named King, yeah, was straight at his dreams. A Mary fed him strawberries with ripe salad greens. Now he's the fattest old thing that I ever seen. Says Brother Rabbit became king. Repeat after me, all right? Y'all ready? Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Well, she took him inside, left me in the cold. Yeah, she softened him up. He had to do what he was told. With every day that passed by, that big old belly, it grew. She turned him into a glutton. That boy was eating for two. Well, finally, I yelled, brother, don't you wanna be free? Yeah, it used to be us, but now it's just me. Well, Brother Rabbit named King, it was straight out his dreams. A Mary fed him strawberries with ripe salad greens. Now he's the fattest old thing that I ever seen. Says Brother Rabbit became king. Run, Rabbit, get on out of here, boy. Now I said, yeah. Well, to my surprise, he followed me away from his home. That boy, he was silver spoon spoilt. Now he was off his throne, and you know what? We ran into our buddy there, the big black dog, and this time my brother, he was big as a hog. Well, we both run away just as fast as we could, but it had been a long while since he run through the woods. And he huffed and he puffed till he ran out of steam. And the moral of the story, ladies and gentlemen, is you can't outrun the dogs when you're eating like a king. No, you cannot. Oh, with Brother Rabbit named King, it was straight out his dreams. Mary fed him strawberries with ripe salad greens. Now he's the fattest old thing that I ever seen. He's dead too.